In this particular slide, we are going to talk about the basics of the computer components. So let's first try to add a background to it. So for that, we click on background. Now here, of course, you get a lot of backgrounds. Let's just randomly select a background for us. Okay, let's pick up this. So this is our background. Now we have to, let's say, add a prop to it, which would be monitor and keyboard. And I'll be explaining that this is a mouse, this is monitor, this is keyboard. So for that, we go to prop section, and here you will be able to see a range of props that are available. You can of course select any of your choice. So let's see what are the props that it offers, and you can choose any of these. So as you can see, there's tech and web, office, remote work, and I do get my computer. So I'll just randomly select one of these. So maybe this, and I get a screen here. Now let me add a keyboard to it. Here you can actually search for the props. So let me see if I get a keyboard. Here I have a keyboard. So let me add a keyboard, and let's try to enlarge it to match its size. Okay. And finally, one last entity that I'm going to add is a mouse. So do we have a mouse here? Okay, let's take this. So here is our mouse. So these are three things that we have, and now I'm going to just show you how you can actually try to explain your concept here. And also we'll try to use voiceover. So let's say I want to explain that this is mouse and this is keyboard and this is monitor. So let's talk about keyboard. Now what I would like to do is that this, once I talk about keyboard, it should just get enlarged. So I select this and I go to settings, and here I have this option of A to B. What it allows you to do is it allows you to decide how you can animate it by increasing its size and location. So I'm saying that when I'm going to explain this, I want this to be enlarged. So I'll just enlarge this. Now let's see how this looks like. So I'm going to click on save, and when I run it, you'll see it just enlarges. And now here you can of course explain. So let's just talk about this and how do we add a voiceover. For that, you can either click on sound or you can click here, and in the current slide I want to add a voiceover. So let me add a voiceover. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on add voiceover. Now here you have the options that you can either upload an audio that you have, or you can upload audio files from Dropbox, your drive, and these are the accepted formats. So you can have MP3, AAC, or you can just record right here. So if you click on record, what you just have to do is you have to click on start record. So let me do it once again. Click here, add voiceover, record, start record. We are going to talk about the basics of computer system. So we have keyboard, mouse, and desktop. Then you save it